Apple HomePod. The machine that costs 3 times more than its competitors. A whopping $349 plus tax. Will you get 3 times more from it though? Let's find out. The first $49 is probably going towards the research and development of a special HomePod bag, which is specifically made for the device, so you can comfortably carry it to its final destination. Opening the device is as simple as always. Just peel the plastic off, remove the lid, and voila, your new speaker is right there. First off, it's heavy and way smaller than you would expect it to be. Second off, the material that covers the speaker is very similar to the purple mattress. Remember the girl with eggs? Anyway, it feels premium, and rightfully so, as you just paid a top dollar for a female voice you already have in your pocket. The phone, I mean. Connecting it to your iPhone is probably the easiest part compared to any other smart speaker, which is also expected from all Apple devices.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
What can it do, you're asking? Well, to be honest, then not much. And I mean, really, it can't do the very basic, like,
"Hey Siri, play Michael Jackson on Spotify."
I can't play from Spotify.
"Hey Siri, get me an Uber."
I wish I could, but I can't help with rides here.
"Hey Siri, call mom."
I wish I could, but I can't help you make calls on HomePod.
but that's okay, as it's really good at playing music. While back, we made a video about the $3,000 speaker sold in Apple Store, which was supposed to have the best sound. And I would say HomePod comes darn close to it. And in some instances, it's even better than the Phantom with 100 patents on it. So what is it good for? Well, it can hear you from far away.
"Hey Siri, turn music to 100%.
You can use it as a loudspeaker for phone calls.
Let's see. Yeah, hi, how are you? Yeah, hi, can you hear me?
But it works great when you're next to it.
The town sunset is Gatsby.
Hi,
Hi.
what time do you close today?
Overall, it's not cheap in no means, but it's way better than anything else out there in terms of smart speakers. So to sum it up, it depends what you're looking for. Brains to get you an Uber, or an unbelievable speaker with a potential to become significantly smarter through software updates. Oh, and one more thing. Walmart is trying to rip you off. It doesn't cost $599 with shipping.